Hello, 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 good afternoon, good evening, good morning and welcome. So I'm in the garage today. I'm going to tilt you up a little bit. In the garage today, and if you watched the previous video about the Scissor Jack, it was great, went under the caravan really easily, did a fantastic job, but it was a nightmare to wind up. So I thought, this is a 19mm extension socket that I got from Maypole, I think it was, and we use this with the drill for putting the corner studies up. It works a dream. Work that in there. Up they go. So when I used the Scissor Jack the other day, I cheated and used a 22mm socket to go on this bit here, and then I wound it, and it was still a lot of work. And I know a few of you are probably going to say I should have used the torque wrench, a bigger bar to get it up, but that's when I was in a hurry. So what I've done, I've gone out and I thought I'd just be easy peasy get one of these in 22mm. Couldn't find them anywhere. Went to a few places locally, they didn't sell them. So what I've done instead, went to Halfords, and this is probably quite an expensive way of doing it, but it cost about £22. So I think this was about £8. And what this is, it gives you, it's a power extension. So what you do is this goes in your, let's wind this up. This goes in your drill, and it gives you your extension for a bar. So then I bought a bar. You see where this is going, can't you? So the bar then fits into the drill. Now I've got a bar. Happy days. So then it was just a case of getting the 22mm socket. So let's undo this. Which, now I've got this bar, I can use this for any socket. So I could have bought this and just got a 19mm socket for the end there. So now I've got, let's put this in a bit more securely. There we go. There is a bit of play on it, but now what I'm hoping, this is the first time I tested this. If I pop this there and I stick that down, what I'm hoping is that will kind of slot in there, and then I can just, up it goes. If I want a bit more torque, I can reduce it down. Oh, need to stop before you get to the bottom, but I'll show you that again. Look at how easy that is. So I need to test this on the actual caravan. So that's the next thing. It's working in principle. Let's go and see if it actually works. But beforehand, I've just got to take the corner steadies up. I'm going to stick the handbrake on and give this a try. See you in a mo. Right, there we go. So that's the corner steadies up. I've just taken the chain off, just so I got a bit more visibility and stuff under there. So there we go. So I've just put the jack underneath, and I'm going to set the torque setting very low, or quite low. We'll see how we go. So if I position you there, you're going to be able to see anything. There we go. So now if I just, right, torque setting's too low, turn this up a smidge, still too low. Just push you back there so you can see exactly what's going on. So I'm quite far away from the drill, just in case it snaps or springs back in my face. No, see, not enough power in the drill. You see that? No. So that, sadly my friends, I think, let's try changing the setting of the drill. There we go. No. That sadly folks, I think is a fail. It was worth a try. I had to try it to just to prove that it didn't work. That is a bummer. Let's try one more time. You can have one more go, Mr. Drill, and then no. I'll kill the drill if I do this anymore. So let's take this off. We'll drop it down. Has that even lifted it? Smidge. So yeah, sorry folks, I think that was a bit optimistic with that rubbishy little drill to be able to do that. I'm gonna get the handle and wind it down. What I might do is get the torque wrench, see if that's any better. See you in a moment. Goodbye. I'm gonna try this with a torque wrench instead and see how we get on. It's probably there. Ah, it's much easier. Look at that. I could actually use one of the other bars that I've got as well. So what I could do is give myself a bit more room. There's something like that. Easy peasy, lemony, squeezy. So, not a complete fail, because I think, yeah, can't use the drill, but I can. Bring this drops down. Can't use the drill. I can use the torque wrench if I need to. I think I'm still going to take the bottle jack and use that when I can. But this is just going to be a plan B. It's easy with the torque wrench. I knew that the other day when I was using my little wrench at the toolbox. I thought I should go and get this. Another one. Why make life easy? There we go. There we go. Let's unplug that. Torque wrench back in there. This is a Malenko torque wrench that I got with the caravan as well. So for a change, it's not something I had to go in our chase. So we'll. I think we'll call that a partial fail or a partial success, depending on if your glass is half empty or half full. So I'm going to get the chain back on, get the corner steadies back down, get this all in the box. I'm thinking about doing a little video of how much the caravan box now weighs, and also a what's in the box with Dave. Needs to get life. There we go. That's the test with the drill. I didn't think it would work. The test with the drill and the scissor jack. Thought we'd failed, then we succeeded. You know, it's like life, like a box of chocolates. You never know where you're going to get a hazelnut or a coffee. See you on the next one. Get yourself a scissor jack and a drill, test it, fail, find a solution, it'll change your life. See you on the next one. Bye!